As trucks cross bridges between Canada and the U.S., the economy is facing turbulence. President Trump's tariffs are sparking recession fears just as he marks 100 days in office. The latest reports reveal a shrinking economy, dropping stock market, and plummeting consumer confidence. This isn't the golden age promised on Inauguration Day. Data from the Commerce Department shows the GDP contracted by 0.3% in the first quarter of 2025. Previous growth of 2.4% had set a positive tone, making this drop alarming. Initially, these figures reflect the end of the Biden administration and the onset of a trade war. Consumers feel anxious. Personal spending, crucial for economic growth, has slowed to 1.8% this quarter. Mark Zandi from Moody's Analytics notes, consumers are becoming cautious. Tariffs have eclipsed inflation as a top concern, leading to worries about rising prices and potential recession. Recession stems from a loss of faith. Consumers fear job security. They cut spending, leading to economic downturns. Despite a low unemployment rate of 4.2%, job market expectations are low, the worst since 2009. The falling stock market adds to this anxiety. The S&P 500 is down 7.3% since Inauguration Day. Businesses now navigate these uncertainties. Trump's import taxes affect numerous goods, creating confusion about future tariffs. Ultimately, it's a tax on consumers, limiting potential sales. However, not all responses to tariffs are negative. Some businesses see new opportunities. Tom Barr, a manufacturer in Michigan, has received inquiries from potential customers wanting to bring orders home. Tariffs have sparked interest where previously there was none. Barr believes tariffs should be better targeted to support domestic industries. This way, firms can benefit without affecting the broader economy negatively. In summary, tariffs create mixed impacts on the economy. While some face challenges, others find opportunities. As economic concerns rise, the path ahead remains uncertain for businesses and consumers alike. Stay informed about how these changes might affect you, and consider how you can adjust your strategies accordingly.